Okay, recording starts now. So this is our 5th edition. Can you see the screen, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from now on, dapat naka-on yung screen ko. You should be seeing something. If not, let me know kagad kung wala kayong makita sa screen. So I can fix this one. So dito na tayo sa day 2. So yes, yesterday. Last week, we started, remember sa chapter 6, basic cable connection. No? Kasi we would like to start with the switch right away. Dahil tong chapter 1 to 5 is medyo mahirap, no? Sa ibang book, nasa middle topic talaga to, no? Pero tong book na to kasi gusto niya first, this one will be the discussion, okay? So I'm gonna start with the chapter 1, IPv4 addressing. Okay? So, subnetting tayo. So, open up your book. Lahat ng topic ko, always written in the book. Well documented tayo. No? So, hoping we can finish up to switching. No? So, IPv4, so net fundamental. So, this is the basic. So, even if this is your first day, so may mga day 1 dito, no? So, that's okay kasi ito yung dinidiscuss normally talaga sa una. Pero hinuli ko lang siya, no? So network fundamentals, no? Basic concept. Iba kasi nagtataka wala tayong basic. Ito yung basic natin. So chapter 1, we're gonna start with chapter 1. Okay, so I want to make sure admitted lahat. So we're gonna talk about what is IPv4 network and subnet, ways to write a net subnet, and so on. No? So ano difference ng classful sa classless? Okay, so before we can start to subnet IPv4, we need to look at what IPv4 is used for. Saan ba ginagamit to? Normally, ginagamit to sa mga devices like computer, cellphone, lahat ng internet devices or connected sa internet requires public IP address. Kakailanganin niya yan. No? Especially IoT. Then IPv4 meron siyang hierarchical address and can be divided into a multiple domain. No? So what does IPv4 looks like? So combination of binary. So when you say binary, zeros and ones. No? So if you're gonna count this one, 8 yan. So tawagin natin siyang 8-bit. Okay? So bibilangin natin to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 siya. Okay? So sa slash notation tawag dito /8. Okay? Pag binaraw ko yung dalawa, 10 na yan, di ba? 8 plus 2, 10. So /10 to. Okay? So meron ditong classes, class A, /8, class B, /16, class C, /24. Bakit naging /24? Kasi this is 24 bits. Malinaw. Now, IPv4 is a 32-bit IPv4 addressing. So meaning 32 binaries yan. So since we are more comfortable working with the decimal, so you have to convert this one to decimal. So ito yung decimal part niya, no? 192.168. Tandaan nyo lang, ang 1 in the subnet mask defines network bit. So pag may nakita kayong 1 net bit, 0 host bit. Okay? Ano yung 0? Adrian, what is 0?
Host bit, sir.
Host bit. Okay? So if you can see this one, nakalagay yan. Ano to? Ano tong lahat ng 1 to? Alex. Dalawa lang yun. Yung 0 host, 1 network. So this is net ID. Okay? Network yan, network. Ibig sabihin naka-on. Okay? This is host. Malinaw. So kung naka-on yan, kung i-convert mo sa decimal, lahat ng 1, 255. Okay? 255, 255. So ilang bits to? Anybody? Christian?
24.
24. Kaya tawag natin dito /24. Malinaw. So if you're gonna look back to this one, obviously this is 1, no? So ito yung subnet mask, okay? And this is the host ID. Ibig sabihin, .1 kasi may 1 doon sa dulo, no? So network, node, and broadcast address. So host portion, always 0. Net portion, always 1. Tandaan nyo na. So what's the difference between the three? Net address. Net address, ibig sabihin, defines the network and all hosts inside it. Meaning, nasa loob ka ng subnet na yon. Net address. Hanggang doon lang scope mo. Okay, so pag sinabing /24, ang IP address mo lang is 256. Okay, so paano naging 256? Balikan natin ta. Kung are /24, this one, kasi nga, di ba lahat naka-on? So this is net ID, and this is host address. So pag yan naging 1, magiging one computer yan. No? So, lagyan natin ng notepad. So, I'm gonna draw. Para mas malinaw. Ayan. Kita ba lahat? Kita. Sige, lakihan pa natin. So, would like everyone to see. So, let's say IP address is 192.168.1.1. So, sa notation nito, tapos subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, tapos may gateway. Gateway always corresponds with the net ID. No? So, ano net ID dito? Ito yung net ID. If you're gonna convert this one, the net ID will be 1.0. Kasi it's being masked. Okay, yan net ID. So, paano naging net ID? Remember, network is 1. Okay? Magsasubnetting kayo mamaya. Checkin natin. Checkin ko to. Kaya makinig kayo. Nakakalito to. Network. Yan. Na? So then, meron tayong tinatawag na broadcast address. Broadcast address, saan ginagamit ito? Sa router. Ito yung domain ng traffic ng router. No? So, ano net ID? 1.0. Ito yan. Okay? Ano host ID? Whatever yun nandito. Let's say 1 yan. Okay? Malinaw ba? Any question? So host address define one specific device, usually noted on the right-hand side. No? Broadcast address represent all of the hosts within a specific network. So that means anybody sitting in the same network will receive a packet transmission. Now, whether ang IP mo is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or hanggang 254. Okay? Now, ang broadcast address is laging dulo. Okay? Kung ano yung dulo niya. No? So, hanapin natin mamaya yan. We're gonna find out. And this one, net ID, depends on your subnet mask. When you say subnet mask, makita nyo 255, that's the highest decimal you can have. So that means, hindi ka pwedeng magkaroon ng 256. Hindi pwede yon. Okay? Hindi rin pwedeng gamitin sa IP address 255 dahil if you're gonna count this one, kung ang broadcast mo 255, net ID mo 0, 255 plus 1 IP equals max IP equals 256 IP. Okay? Pero usable, 254. No? Why? Kasi you need to deduct. No? You need to deduct net ID and broadcast. Para saan ang net ID? Kumbaga, ito yung, this is where you belong. Okay? This could be your gateway. Broadcast naman, this is where the packet goes. So you can never use this one. Okay? So that's why you need to deduct 2. Malinaw ba? Malinaw. So ilan ang usable? 254. Okay? Another example. Sige, mag-sample ako. Let's say, required, let's say, architect, hindi naman architect. Sabi na architect kayo, they need a meron silang servers na 6. Okay? Then meron silang PC na mga 61. Okay? 61. So pinag-subnet kayo. Sige, bigyan mo ako ng IP address. Anong gagamitin ko sa server and what will I use sa PC? Okay? Plus ano ilalagay ko sa router, no? Or gateway pala, gateway. So yan ang question, no? So babalikan natin yan paano yung ginagawa. Anyway, sige, discuss ko na. So ganito yan, given tandaan nyo, you always start with 0. Okay? End up with 255. So, applying subnetting. Ano muna yung subnetting? Subnetting is a process of making IP address efficient. Ibig sabihin, pag sinabi efficient, less waste. Konti lang ang mababawas. Konti lang masasayang. Okay? Kasi if you're gonna use the whole /24, you're gonna be having problem. Okay? So, anong slash to? /24. So, ilang IP address sa 24? 256. Ngayon, sa subnet natin yan. Sa subnet natin yan. Gusto ko 6 lang servers and then 61 ang PC. So, back to basic. Ito yung drawing board natin. Okay, apply na natin to. Drawing board natin. Ito. Yan. So, /24 yan. Malinaw. Ngayon, ang kailangan lang natin ilan? 61 plus 6.
67.
No? So, equals 67. Okay, so ito yung IP address needed. Okay, 67. Tandaan nyo. So, this will be become question mark. No? Anong subnet mask? What will be the gateway? What will be the gateway? Tanggalin muna natin gateway. Hindi pa naman kailangan. What will be the broadcast address? So, yan ang required. No? So, bibigay ko sa inyo to for you to solve later. Pero ngayon, makinig muna. So, anong answer? No? I need 67 IP addresses para for the new project. Kasi may new project yan. So, Chris, pahingin ng IP address. You cannot assign basta-basta na lang, no? So, you need to solve this problem. Ito na, so solve ko na. So, ilan ang requirement? 67. So, ganito, bibilang kayo from right side. Host yan, di ba? We need host IP. Ibig sabihin, computer, device. So, right yan. Huwag nyo naman pakialaman to. Kasi net ID, naka-1 na yan. So, pag sinabing 1, no? Ito yung first, actually, bit 0 yan tawag dyan, bit 0. Okay, then may bit 0 is equal to decimal 1. Okay, tandaan nyo. Unang-una is decimal 1. So, pag sinabi kong 1, magiging IP niyan 192.168.1.1. Malinaw. Magiging IP niyan 1.1. Okay? Pag ganyan itsura. Ngayon ilang kailangan natin? 67, di ba? So, bibilang kayo. You need to borrow another 1. Tandaan nyo itong bit number 1. Tandaan nyo, bit 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 8 bits. Okay? So, bit number 1, decimal 2. Malinaw. So, pag nakaganyan, ano IP address nito? Ezekiel.
3.
Tama. So, magiging ganyan yan. 3. Ay, sorry. 192.161.3. Okay, malinaw. Madali. And so on. So, increment by 2 since it's base 2. 2 plus 2, give 4, di ba? 4 plus 4, edi 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. 30 plus 0, 64. Hanggang maka-reach kayo ng 128. So, tawag dito, highest bit order, lowest bit order. Malinaw. So, pag ito, ginanyan ko, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan. Ang decimal nito, pag samasamahin mo lang tong ilan yan? Tatlo yan, di ba? So, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So, IP address niyan will be 7. Enough na ba yon? We need 67, di ba? So, hindi pa. Malinaw. So, paano natin ma-meet 67? So, bibilang kayo dito, di ba? Ilan to? So, 1, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7.
7.
Kulang, borrow 1. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Tama? Is it enough? Is it
Hindi po.
enough? Hindi
Hindi
pa.
pa, sir.
67 kailangan natin eh. So, inad ko lang to. Inad ko lang to. So, 15. 15 plus 16. Kasi nagbaro na naman ako. 31. Malinaw. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
enough? Hindi pa. Kulang pa eh. Borrow another bit. 31 plus 32 equals 63. Enough na ba? Kulang pa rin. Borrow another one bit. No? Ilan na yun? 63. 63 plus 64. 127. Okay? So, parang kulang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kulang nga. Kulang na 0. So, borrow another one. 63 plus 64 equals 127. So, is it enough? More than enough, no? So, dito ako nag-stop. Okay? So, pag nag-stop kayo, slash mo na yan. Hatiin mo na, no? So, ito yung natitira. That will be net ID. Okay? So, 127. So, magiging last IP mo. So, first IP address. So, meron kang last IP address. Last IP address will be, since nag-start tayo sa 0, di ba? First IP, 1. Last IP is 127. So, ano magiging broadcast mo? Yung susunod, 128. Okay, validate nga natin to. No, no, no. 127. Okay, so last IP address, 126. So this will be the broadcast. Paano naging ganon? Kasi nga, nag-start tayo 0. So that's one digit. Plus 127 equals 127. No? So ito yung last IP address. Tama, tama. So 127 usable IP. Paano naging 127? 126 plus 1. Di 127. Okay? So this will be your net ID, which you belong. The first usable IP, 1.1, probably will be used by router. And last IP address, 126. Okay? So yun ang bibigay mo sa new project nyo. Sir, server nyo, magiging IP 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.2. Plus the rest will be within this range. Okay? So yan tamang answer. Let's validate in real world. So punta kayo ng control panel. Will this be accepted? Lalagay nyo lang sa network card nyo. Ay, teka, madi-disconnect ako. Hindi ako pwede maglagay. Meron ba akong VM? So ito lang yung range. So pag yan lumagpas, hindi na pwede. Malinaw ba? Ngayon, bibigyan ko kayo ng project nyo. Sabi ng architect, sabi ng whoever, sabi ng boss nyo, you are the architect. Can you please give me 35 host IP, no? So since I've created this one, hindi mo na pwedeng gamitin to. You're gonna have IP address conflict. So you're gonna start with the succeeding one. So anong succeeding? 127 plus 1, 128. Okay? So ito, gagawin niyo yan. Any question? Any question? Solve niyo to. So question, what will be the first IP? What will be the last IP address? Yan. No? And what will be the broadcast IP address? Yan. So, solve nyo to. Solve nyo. So I'll be checking you, no? Checking desktop nyo. So from, ano oras na ba? 9:35 a.m. to mga 10 minutes na. 10:45 a.m. Any question? Any question? Okay, sige. Let's start to solve. Let me know kung may question kayo, no? I can be able to remote control your PC. Makikita ko once you shared. Okay? Okay, so timer starts now. If you have any question, let me know kagad. Sir, di ko naintindihan paano naging 1.2. Something like that. Na? Tanong nyo kagad ako. So this 10 minutes. Yan, start.
Wala po naman.
Okay, last 3 minutes.